Hi, this is my review for the Joovy Caboose stroller sit and stand. I really like this stroller for our son. It's pretty big, it's very sturdy. It has a couple things that I guess, at least in my experience, I haven't seen a lot of strollers that have this. So most strollers have this where you can just put like a little thing for their cups and all of that. And sorry, it's a little dirty, my son uses this a lot. These are the straps to strap them in here in the front. So it's these two straps, they go here. So you just connect, one here, one there. It has this so they can put their feet on it. These are the wheels, of course. That's the little logo, the Joovy logo. You can also move this, I have it in the middle. You can put it here, the straps. Yeah, you can pull them and all of that back here, back here. So this is also to pull, this can go back. You would pull, I grab this metal, the metal part, you pull it up and then you hold and you can pull it down and then it can lay more back. So, or you just grab it, pull it up, sorry, there you go. And then it goes back to where it was. So you can, if they wanted to take a nap or something, you have this to cover them from the rain or the shade. So that's very convenient. You can put it in the back, you can put it to the front, it doesn't matter. You have this little handle here, you can grab so you can move the stroller, of course. To close the stroller, you pull this and this. I'm holding the phone so I can't use both hands, but you pull this one up and then you pull this one up at the same time and then it'll fold up. So can't do it because I'm holding the phone, but that's basically how you do it. It is heavy. It's big and heavy. So I would be cautious how you grab it and pick it up. You don't want it to fall on you or something because it is a big stroller. It's not a lightweight stroller. So you have this pad here. So what I like about it is that they can sit on this. My son likes to sit on that and then he'll grab the bars here or he'll grab the bars here because sometimes they don't want to sit here, they get antsy and they don't want to sit there. So then they want to sit here and then you can strap them in here as well. But personally, I don't strap them. I just let them sit there. So you can also use this as a compartment to put things in. You can kind of hide things so that you want to put your phone or a water bottle or whatever. You just close it up and then, this is also part of the compartment. They can put their feet here. You can also put your feet here. You can, if it's on a step, you can do this and then just lift it up. So it's great for, I would say I'd recommend the stroller if you're gonna go to like a zoo or a park, like someplace. If you're gonna do a lot of walking and it's very open space, it's great. If you're gonna be like on the street and there's a lot of people and there's walking everywhere, really, I don't know if I would recommend it that much because it's big. It's not a little tiny stroller, so just keep that in mind. And it's heavy, so if you have to close it, you have to go into a building or something, and it's not very light, so you got to carry it, and it can be a struggle. So I recommend this if you're gonna go like on a long walk, a park, a zoo, something like that. It's nice. If it's something really short, I would get like a smaller stroller, or just if they don't walk, you get a smaller stroller. If they can walk, it'd be better if they can walk. But yeah, you figure it out based on where you're going. So hopefully that helps you understand a little bit about this. You can see I can show the little side view also, so you can see a little bit of it. So yeah, I personally enjoy it. I take it everywhere, literally everywhere. So yeah, hope that was helpful.